Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to generate a historical USD bubble map for Solana addresses without running your own node, using Bitquery's APIs and a small open source script. You'll be able to literally see money flows into a wallet over time as an interactive network of bubbles. Everything runs from the command line and a simple HTML file, so you can explore the results in your browser and embed them in your application. You can modify this to scale. Let me quickly explain what this tool does. Under the hood, it uses Bitquery's Solana API to fetch token transfers for a specific currency, like USDC, or into a specific receiver address. For each transfer, it pulls the sender, receiver, and amount converted into USD. Then it aggregates that data into nodes and links. Nodes are addresses sized by their total USD volume, and links represent USD flowing from one address to another. Finally, it injects that data into a d3.js bubble map visualization, so you get a fully interactive, explorable network in your browser. This is your interactive Solana bubble map. Each bubble is an address. The size of the bubble represents how much USD volume is associated with that address. The color encodes relative value, so high volume nodes stand out visually. The lines between bubbles are transfers, and their width corresponds to how much USD has moved along that edge.